to make primary colors and secondary colors with color mixing activities. Do you know about primary colors? Primary colors are red, yellow and blue. Look here. Let's do this fun activity on the color mixing chart. Let's do this. We'll fill these circles with primary and secondary colors. Use with yellow. Let's use with blue. So guys, these are primary colors. Now it's time to color secondary colors. Color purple. Color orange. Let's color green. These all are secondary colors. Now these are primary and secondary colors. Let's write their names. Secondary colors with primary colors? I know it. Let's mix and make it. Do you know what color becomes when we mix these two colors? Let's check. When we mix red and blue, it becomes purple. Let's do it. When we mix these two colors? Let's check. When we mix red and yellow, it becomes orange. Let's check. When we mix blue and yellow, it becomes green. Let's check. Now we get all of three secondary colors, purple, orange and green. Here my chart is complete. Now we're gonna make a beautiful butterfly with these colors. Here's a half shape of a butterfly and we're gonna complete this and make it beautiful and complete. We dot the first side of the butterfly. Now let's turn it and complete. Gently. Now let's turn it. Woohoo! My butterfly is complete. Look at these beautiful colors. Like our body. Hey, look at my butterfly. It's so beautiful. Look at these colors. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like my videos. Bye.